So most people think about your influencer or affiliate program as being a way to drive a stronger conversion rate towards your products. And they are wrong because it's not just about that. It's also about building bigger carts, which is so often overlooked. It doesn't matter if you have two products, 2,000 products. When you have that traffic on that page, naturally the tendency is let's focus on a faster path to checkout that uses co-branded content to get it over the line, pushing a discount. But it's also a space to pause and really get the user to feel like they're missing out on a bigger picture. And that is where we are stoked to be pushing bundles and collections and drops more to the forefront of the platform, where one, as a shopper, when I land on a creator site, this is just an example component built to the brand's theme, but really these can look like this. They can look like any component you have in mind, but ultimately it's a space for you to push a bundle that a creator's curated to show off the entirety of the collection from the total price point if you add the entire bundle to cart with your discount, quickly allowing them to parse through the products, obviously see their discount, as well as go to any individual product pages if it makes sense as well. But when ready, they can add the entire thing to their cart and just proceed with the checkout. Now this is obviously great for getting those really large carts. Ideally people do just add the entire bundle to cart, but it's also great for just letting people really think critically about what else do I want to be purchasing while I have this discount, given now I'm kind of seeing the big picture of how much I can get with this discount right in front of me. So it's a really great tool for that. We see on average this boosts AOV about 67% from the affiliate program prior. And it doesn't really stop there, because additionally what we now support is for creators to be able to not only curate these bundles and put them on their co-branded shopping experience, but even to share direct checkout links to their bundles through their dashboard experience. So what's beautiful about that is when they get into their dashboard, they can do a one-click copy to a clipboard action where they add an entire direct Shopify checkout link to their cart. They can put that on their story as well, so people can even just skip the co-branding and go right into the bundles. This is really, really useful as well if you are dealing with a refer a friend situation or a kind of client relationship where they're already sold, they're literally just trying to check out.